Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are looking at the function of our heart, working of heart, right? Now, come to the page number 85, heartbeat. Got it? Have you got the topic, heartbeat, which is on page number 85? Yes. Today I am not using blackboard. Is it clear to you? Are you listening me?
Yes,
No one
ma'am.
is replying. What happened? Yes, student. Okay. The today's topic is heartbeat. When put your hands at your left side on the chest, left side of the chest, put the hand and feel. There is a sound, there is a something relaxing and contracting. This sound is known as heartbeat. The wall of the chamber of the heart contract and relax in a rhythmic way, in a music way. The closure of AV walls. AV wall means uh, atrium contraction. First, blood collect in the right atrium. Through this, through the tricuspid wall, the blood goes into the right ventricle, and there is a wall, tricuspid wall, and the closing of this tricuspid wall and semilunar wall, which is present in the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery, and same in the left ventricle to aorta. They are closing and opening at the same time in a rhythmic way. And while closing the valve, they produce a sound. This sound is called heartbeat. During the closing of valve, atrial valve or ventricular valve, semilunar valve, during the closing of this valve, they produce a sound, and this sound is known as heartbeat of a person. The average heartbeat of an adult person while resting is 72 to 80 per minute. In a 1 minute, a person's heartbeat is 72 to 80. When do any physical activity, when a person doing any physical activity like running, cycling, then heartbeat becomes faster, and a sudden shock also. At the time of sudden shock also, the heartbeat increase and become faster. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. You will feel the heartbeat. See, put your hand at here and feel there is a sound, and this sound is known as heartbeat. You can count them also. Put the hand for 1 minute and count it um, cautiously, and you can feel the heartbeat of a person in 1 minute is 72 to 80 per minute. A doctor listen to your heartbeat. Whenever you go to a doctor, they will put a ear scope and something is a diaphragm on your chest and check. During this, he is listening your heartbeat. A doctor listens to your heartbeat with the help of an instrument called a stethoscope. And the instrument using for the listening of heartbeat is known as stethoscope. Is known as stethoscope, which is given in the figure. And you all know about this. You all have seen this instrument. Stethoscopes amplifies the sound of the heartbeat. The what is the function of this stethoscope? It increases the sound of heartbeat produced by the heart, and due to this, a person can hear this in the ear with the help of earpiece. It consists of a chest piece that has diaphragm. There is a chest piece which is putting on the chest, and this is known as diaphragm. Two earpieces and a rubber tube. There is a two earpieces and it is connected with a rubber tube. The rubber tube joins the chest piece and the earpiece. This is all about the instrument which is using for the measuring of heartbeat. Do you know, when the AV valves, means atrium valves, tricuspid and bicuspid valve close, a loop sound is produced. A loop sound is produced, but when the seminal valve close, a dub sound is produced. Both the sound are different. AV valves, from the AV valves it is produced lub, and from the semilunar valve it produces sound dub. A doctor diagnosed the condition of our heart by listening to the heartbeat by placing the chest piece of the stethoscope over the heart region. He placed the diaphragm of a stethoscope on the chest, left side of the body, chest, over the chest region of the chest. A faster heartbeat indicates fever or hypertension. If he listens, the heartbeat is faster, the sound is coming faster, then a person feeling with the suffering from the fever or hypertension. Whereas a lower heartbeat indicate poor health. If the sound of uh, uh, heartbeat is decreased from a normal heartbeat, it means the person is suffering from the poor health. Pulse rate. The another term is pulse rate. What is pulse rate? Blood enters the arteries due to the contraction of the ventricles. When ventricle contracts, the blood move into the arteries. One is aorta, another is a pulmonary artery. The sudden flow of blood at high pressure causes expansion of the wall of the arteries. This from the ventricles, the blood move in a very fast way, with a lot of pressure. Due to these, the arteries expand. The diameter of arteries increases due to the pressure. This can be felt as the throbbing in the arteries that lies close to the skin is called the pulse. We can feel it here on our skin, under the skin. This heart pulse rate we can feel with our arteries, which is flow of the blood. We can feel on our skin. Here is a method how we can feel the pulse rate. We can feel our pulse at some places in our body, like inner chest, inner waist. This is the inner waist, inner part of the waist. We can feel it. Temples, the region of the face that lies on either side of the forehead. Here also. And side of the neck. Side of the neck also we can feel this. How we can check our pulse rate? What we have to do? Pulse, place a middle and index finger on your right. See here. put your two fingers, middle and index finger, on the inner side of the waist of your right hand, on inner side of left. Place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the, this is the right hand. Place the two fingers on the inner side of the waist and feel it slightly. Press it gently. A slight press here. We can feel a little something is moving inside the body. We can feel it. What happened? Now count the number of beating movements in 1 minute by using watch. Use a watch and a timer, fix on this, and from this watch we can feel and we can count the number of heartbeat or movement waves in 1 minute by using watch. Similarly, calculate the pulse rate in different condition also. Go for the jogging and while coming from the jogging, again check the pulse rate. Cycling or any other exercising, after any other exercise, count the pulse rate again. You feel there is a difference in both the pulse rate. Also find out whether the pulse rate is the same or different among our friends. What we observe? Some strong regular beating movements under our fingers. There is a regular movement of beating. It means blood is flowing in a particular or regular way. This indicates that some liquid is flowing beneath our fingers in a jerky motion, in a small motion, jerky motion. These waves is called pulse, and these waves which is flowing, which we can find here, this is known as pulse. The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. In 1 minute, number of pulse is known as pulse rate, and it is between 72 to 80 beats per minute. After any physical activity like jogging, exercising, cycling, or having running, so many exercise we can do, and after doing this work, again we check the pulse rate, and we will find that both the pulse rate are different in number. On doing any physical activity, the pulse rate increases. After any physical activity, cycling, jogging, running, pulse rate become higher. It is 100 to 110 beats per minute in place of 72 to 80. After deep breathing, a person usually has deep breathing, the pulse rate becomes slightly lower. After deep breathing, the pulse rate is become slightly lower. It is up to 60 to 72 beats per minute. We can conclude that a resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 beats per minute. The pulse rate increase when do any physical activity like cycling, running, walking, and jogging. This is all about the pulse rate. A doctor gets an idea of the heartbeat of a person by counting the pulse rate with the stethoscope. Yes. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow we have a chemistry class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Tomorrow I will take biology again. So take your biology book before the period. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Because I want
Yes,
to finish
ma'am.
this chapter in these 2 days. We will take chemistry in the other on the next period. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. For tomorrow, I'm taking biology again. Blood pressure. You know, you heard this name, blood pressure, many
Yes,
times.
ma'am.
It means the pressure of blood in the body is known as blood pressure. Some persons are suffering from the high blood pressure and low blood pressure. Have you heard that my father and mother and my relatives are suffering from the high, blood pressure, right? They are taking medicine for this. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have an idea about blood pressure. What is blood pressure? When blood flow in the arteries are having the pure blood except pulmonary artery. Only pulmonary artery having the deoxygenated blood. Except this artery, all the arteries are having uh, oxygenated blood, right? When the blood flow in the arteries, it exerts pressure. It run in a very high pressure on the valves. This is called blood pressure, and the flow of this blood is known as blood pressure. How we can measure this? The blood pressure of a healthy person is 120 to 80. There is two type of blood pressure, means higher and lower. Higher, the normal blood pressure is 120 to 80 minimum, 80 mm Hg. Hg means hydrogen. Mercury is in the uh, uh, instrument which is used for the measuring blood pressure, and the instrument used for the measuring of blood pressure is known as sphygmometer. What is it called? Sphygmometer. Now pronounce it once. What is the name of instrument for using the blood pressure? Yes, it is sphygmometer.
Sphygmometer.
Sphygmometer. Sphygmometer is the instrument is used for the measuring blood pressure. When blood pressure rise above 140 to 90 Hg is called the high blood pressure. When the blood pressure become more than 120 and more than 80 mmHg, it is known as high blood pressure or hypertension. When blood pressure is below normal, it is called low blood pressure or hypotension. Is it clear? The normal condition of blood pressure is 120 to 80. When blood pressure become more than it or less than it, it causes hypertension or hypotension. High blood pressure or low blood pressure. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Now antibiotic and antigens. When a foreign substance or any microorganism enter our blood, any foreign means outside substance, right? When foreign substance or any microorganism like bacteria, germs, viruses enter in our body react against it, and the body do not accept this foreign substance. It against react against it by producing certain proteins, proteins, and these proteins are known as antibiotic. The proteins produced by the body against to react against the foreign substance are known as antibodies. Antibodies are the proteins that are produced in response to foreign substance that enter our body. they are present in the plasma of blood, and these antibodies are present in the plasma of blood. Plasma having two part, blood plasma and uh, blood, RBC, WBC, and platelets, and these things. Corpuscles. Antigens are the protein. Now the other word is, now new word is coming. Antigens are the proteins present on the surface of red blood cells. Antigens are the proteins. Both are the proteins. Antibiotic is also proteins, and antigen is also protein. And these antigens are the protein present on the surface of the RBC, red blood cells. We are having three types of blood cells in our blood, that is RBC, WBC, and platelets. On the surface of RBC, the protein is known as antigens. They stimulate the production of antibodies in the blood, and they increase the stimulation of production of antibodies in the body. Is it clear to you? Antibodies and antigens.
Yes, ma'am.
It is clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. The next topic is blood group. We will take tomorrow it. It is an important thing. Sometimes you can heard that the blood donation camp, and some person is going for the blood donation. Some is needed for the blood. We are arranging the different kinds of blood groups, right? So we will see this topic tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and read the lesson carefully. We have almost complete the course. After this topic, I think we will have only one chapter remaining. One chapter is remaining, and that is hygiene, health and hygiene. Right? So, tomorrow I will finish this chapter. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it properly. Read the function of heart and structure of heart, working of heart, all these things. Read it properly. If I will have time after completing this chapter, I will ask question from that part. Okay, read it properly. For today, I am leaving the class. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Nothing? Okay, have a good day.